Ever wondered what happens when you mix the rare citrus yuzu with your favorite coffee? The result isn't just a new flavor, it's a drink that looks as amazing as it tastes. Today, you'll discover how to make yuzu coffee, a visually stunning, refreshing twist that will surprise your taste buds and impress anyone who sees it. Many coffee lovers crave something beyond the usual, but finding truly unique flavor combinations can be a challenge. Yuzu coffee solves this, bringing together bright citrus and deep coffee notes for a blend that stands out from the crowd. Here's what you'll need: fresh yuzu juice or yuzu concentrate, your favorite brewed coffee, hot or cold, ice cubes for an iced version, simple syrup or honey, optional, a clear glass for the best presentation. Let's make it. Add ice to your glass for an iced version. Pour in 1 to 2 tablespoons of yuzu juice or concentrate. Add sweetener if you prefer. Slowly pour your coffee over the yuzu mixture and watch the layers form. Stir gently before drinking, or serve as is for a striking look. As the coffee and yuzu mix, you'll see a beautiful two-tone effect, perfect for photos and guaranteed to catch attention. The taste is just as bold. Bright citrus meets rich coffee for a refreshing experience you won't forget. To sum up, yuzu coffee is an easy way to transform your coffee routine. It's simple to make, visually impressive, and offers a flavor journey unlike any other. Curious about what makes some coffees truly special? Check out my video, What Makes Single Origin Coffee So Unique? And discover how the origin of your beans can change everything about your coffee experience. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any creative twists you've tried.